Please tell us your name and roll number.
My name is Sagarika Maharatha. My roll number is 100806.
Please give a brief introduction about your academic career.
Yes, sir. I have completed my school education from Koraput itself, and after that I have completed plus 2 science and BSc from Koraput only, sir. Then I have done diploma in journalism and mass communication from IGNO, and that also I have completed from there only, at Koraput only I have done this. Then after doing that I have shifted to Bhubaneswar, and I have worked for 6 months with consulting firm, recruitment firm. Then I got selected as a placement officer. Then I have then continued to work as a placement officer. In between I have shifted to Koraput due to my mother's health issues, so I have opted, I have got there I have joined as a CSR executive in Built Seba Paper Mills, Jaipur. For few months I was there, sir.
So then what are your exact practice period?
Sir, I have completed law in 2017. I got my this registration in 2018. So 2018 onwards I have started practicing, but sir, due to this corona, I was quite like not regular in.
Who was your senior, please?
My senior, sir.
Yes.
And under whom I was practicing.
Yes.
He is Mr.
Okay, you unable to recover it.
Yes, sir.
Then are you conversant with the duties and responsibilities of the assistant public prosecutor? What you have to do after if you are selected and joined in the post?
Yes, sir. Assistant public prosecutor will prosecute in the court of magistrate first class, and he has to fight the case on behalf of the victim. That means he will fight for the prosecution, and assistant public prosecutor may act for the state as well as for the central government. A person having 7 years of work experience may be recruited as an additional PP. Then a person who is having 10 years of experience may be appointed as a special public prosecutor.
But what do you do? Can you appear on behalf of Government of India?
Government of India.
If you are selected, you are selected as a PP.
No, sir. No, sir. If
then
I have to work on behalf of my state of Odisha.
Okay. Then who will be which will be your most associated agency with whom we will have to work and you will have to keep good rapport for delivering the goods, better goods in your job?
Home Department.
Home Department.
Yes, sir.
So Home Department means there must be a position, so rank with which you will interact.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Police, Home Department na police ta.
Again, sir.
Police road assistant swing shooter ki swing shooter se ta deithibo, charge deithibo ki inspector deithibo, tanga sa no basic interaction as agent shooter.
भाबिली sir investigating officer, but जदि भूल ही जो भाबी कि sir कोई नहीं.
Investigating officer is the proper answer.
Okay, sir.
Or supervisory officer.
Okay, sir.
Sometimes.
Okay, sir.
So you have completed your practice 2 years.
Yes, sir.
Where?
Bhubaneswar, sir.
Bhubaneswar.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. So Which side? Criminal side or civil side?
Criminal side, sir.
Criminal side. Okay.
Actually, sir, I am still learning, sir. I have not practiced any single-handedly any case, sir. I am still learning, sir.
Means you are practitioner means person who performs his duty inside the courtroom.
Yes, sir.
Inside the courtroom means assisting the seniors every day, going to the court and participate in the proceeding. And when he is waiting for the proceeding, many proceedings takes place in front of him.
Yes, sir.
Is that happening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So could you again recognize your senior?
Yes, sir.
Who is it? ସିନିୟର ଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଏଥିରେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଆପଣ ଏ ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ କିଛି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପାଇବେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
ଆଉ ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜଣା ପଡ଼ିଲା ଯେ ଆପଣ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ନାହିଁ, ଆପଣ ସିନିୟର ନାଁ ତ ପୁରା ଉଠରେ ଥିବ। ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବାପାଙ୍କ ନାଁ କ'ଣ?
କୁମାର ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ମହାରଥା।
ତେଣୁ ଏଇଟା କେତେ ସ୍ପଣ୍ଟେନିୟସଲି ଆସିଲା, କାହିଁକି ଆସିଲା? ସିନିୟରଟା ସେମିତିଆ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ରେ ସେଇଟା ହେବନି। ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଡିସିଏସ୍ରେ ଡିସିଏସ୍ କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ସରି ସାର୍, ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲେ ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଜାଣିନି।
ସେଠି ଏସ୍ଡିଜିଏମ୍ କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି? ଅଲ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ନୋଟ୍ କରି ଯିବେ। କାହିଁକିନା ଆପଣ ଯେମିତି ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଦେଲେଣି, ଯଦି ଆପଣ ମୋତେ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଜଜ୍ ନାଁଟା କହିଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଥାନ୍ତି ହଁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, କି ମାଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ନାଁଟା କହିଦେଇଥିଲେ ବି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେବେ। Be prepared. Then what happens in the morning in the courtroom? ଆପଣ ଜମା ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ଆମେ ତ ଏଇଟା ମକ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଚାଲିଛି, ମୁଁ ଯାହା ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥାରୁ ବୁଝୁଛି ଆପଣ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି, କରିଛନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍, ଯାଏ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ସାର୍ ମୋ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ କି ମୋ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡଙ୍କର ଚିହ୍ନା ଅଛନ୍ତି ଜଣେ, ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖେ ସାର୍ ଯାଇ ଘଣ୍ଟେ 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ବସେ ଖାଲି ପ୍ରୋସିଜିଓର ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ସାର୍। ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ସେମିତି ତାପରେ କରୋନା ହେଇଗଲା ତ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ଆଉ ରେଗୁଲାର ଯାଇନି।
ସେଇଟା କେମିତି ଆପଣ ତିଆରି କରିବେ? ଏଇଭଳିଆ ଯାହା ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଲେ।
ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ସାର୍ କୁନା ଭାଇ, ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଯାଏ, ତାଙ୍କର ଭଲ ନାଁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି। ହଁ ନାଇଁ ପଚାରେ। ହଁ ତାଙ୍କର ସମ୍ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ବଟ୍ ତାଙ୍କର ନିକ୍ ନେମ୍ କୁନା।
ଓକେ। ଆଚ୍ଛା, ସିଆର୍ପିସିରେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକକୁ ଯଦି ଚାହିଁବା ନୋଟିସ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କେତେବେଳେ କରିପାରିବା? କେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ମାଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ନୋଟିସ୍ କରିପାରିବ ଯେ ତୁମେ ଆସ ଏଠି କୋର୍ଟରେ ଫେସ୍ କର ଟ୍ରାଏଲ୍?
ନୋଟିସ୍ ମାଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ସାର୍, ମାଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ନୋଟିସ୍ ପଠେଇବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ତ ସମନିଂ ଅଫ୍ ୱିଟନେସେସ୍ରେ ହେବ ସାର୍। ସମନିଂ ଅଫ୍ ୱିଟନେସ୍
କେତେ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ୍?
ସେକ୍ସନ୍ 61 ରୁ 79।
अच्छा।
Can you tell me the difference between 304A and 299 Acts?
304A and 299
Of Indian Penal.
Okay. 304 first part deals with the
304A.
304A. 304A deals with the offense, the act which is caused with the intention of causing death or with the intention of causing such bodily injury as is likely to cause death.
304.
304A.
It's rash and negligent act, right? Death by rash and negligent act.
Okay, sorry ma'am, sorry. 304A says about death by rash and negligence act. It was under for the commission of offense under 304A there was no intention and there was no knowledge of commission of the offense. Under section 299, but when the act is done, it causes the death of the person. It is the person knows, as the explanation 1, as the point number 1 says.
Fine. Knowledge and intention is the main thing. Okay, so tell me whether a statement can be a conduct. Only statement.
Yes.
Only statement can be a conduct. Tell me something relating to explanation 1 of section 8 of Indian Evidence Act.
Section 8. Section 8 says about the motive, preparation and conduct of a
Only
person.
tell me about explanation 1.
Okay. When the conduct of a person is relevant, anything made to
It's
him.
explanation 2. I'm asking you explanation 1. They only stated that statement cannot be a conduct unless and until it is accompanied by some act. So only statement cannot be a conduct. Okay.
Okay.
What is the difference between a statement and an admission?
Statement and an admission. Okay. Admission is a statement.
Right. So how you differentiate between a statement and an admission?
For statement is a statement. Like I said something, it is a statement. But for admission, it must suggest some inference relating to the fact in use of relevant fact.
And what is a confession?
Confession. Confession is admission of own guilt.
So whether there is any particular definition under Indian Evidence Act which says about confession?
No, it is not nowhere defined.
So it is coming under which provision?
It is provided in section 24 to 31 of the Act.
So confession is a branch of what? Whether it will be coming under admission or not?
It is a species of admission. Like if statement is the genus, then admission is the species and confession will be its subspecies.
Section 34 of Indian Evidence Act, whether it is a substantive offence or only a rule of evidence?
34 of?
Indian Penal Code.
It is only rule of evidence.
So if there are 4 persons who has committed an offence and who have been committed and under trial, 3 has been acquitted and there is only 1 person remaining, right? 3 have been acquitted, only 1 person remaining, whether he can be still held liable under section 34?
Is he the main offender? Then yes.
Only 1 person can be held liable under 34?
Yes, if he is the offender.
So what section 34 says, can you tell me?
Yes. Section 34 says that when an act is done by several persons.
So how can be only 1 person be convicted under section 34 if it is starting with several persons? Several persons means what? It should be more than 1, right? So
Yes.
how you can convict only 1 person under section 34?
He is the main offender.
Then how 34 will be applicable? Is 34 is an offence or whether it's a joint liability? It's a concept of group
Joint
of-
constructive criminal liability.
Right.
It comes under
So,
joint constructive
whether you
criminal
can
liability.
convict only 1 person under section 34? It says about several persons, right? So how you justify convicting only 1 person under section 34?
Sorry, ma'am.
You cannot, right? Unless until there is some other persons associated, but ए पर्यंत धरा पड़ने आते किंतु प्रूफ अछि कि आउ के अछि बट खाली जे हमको 34 अंडर कन्विक्ट करा जाई परिबन सेवरल पर्सन रो कांसेप्ट ही आसीबनी ना. Can you tell me some other provisions under IPC which deals with joint liability?
Yes, section 149.
How you differentiate between 34 and 149 then?
34 says about when several persons has committed a criminal act, then all the persons shall be liable when a criminal act has been done by several persons in
I know the definition. Only tell me the differences between 34 and 149.
okay, in 34 the word criminal act has not been defined,
Right.
but under section 149 the object, it is defined under section 141 and the object must come under
Right.
one of the ingredients are specified under section 141.
Next.
Then 34 though as it is not defined, so it is open to liberal interpretation, but it is not open to liberal interpretation. Then under section 34 is a substantive offence and it is a rule of evidence, it is a substantive offence. Section 34 under section 34 prior meeting or prior consent of minds is necessary, but for the offence under section 149 that is not required.
how you differentiate between in furtherance, in prosecution. Under 149 in prosecution, right? Under section 34 it's in furtherance. How you differentiate between these two? In prosecution of common object and here in furtherance of that intention.
Yes.
How you differentiate
Yes.
between these two terms?
Yes, ma'am. They have decided to do a particular criminal act and they have done the same act.
Right.
But here, even though they have decided to do an offense, but subsequently somebody among them has considered different offense, then all shall be liable in the same
So
manner.
under section 34, if person is committing a different offense, whether they won't be held liable. For example, if I am pre-arranging with someone to going to some house and stealing some properties there, and I am going with a knife or a gun.
No,
and
if
I
it is a
come to
consequence, they will be liable. If not, then not.
Right. Okay, fine. Thank you.
ये क्वेश्चन पचारे से कुछ गोटे क्वेश्चन पचारा सेटा आपण आंसर देबे और जे कहते ओके
Sorry, sir.
ना सेमती कहले
Okay, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
जेटा हम जनरल डिस्कशन में तम फ्रेंड रीति चला बेले तम कहबो
Okay, sir.
एंड इट तो इंटरव्यू दोछ ना तो
Okay, sir.
you should be submissive to the board
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ତେଣୁ ତା କ୍ୟାଜୁଆଲ ହେବେନି ମାନେ ସବୁବେଳେ
Okay, sir.
ସିରିୟସନେସଟା ଥିବ ଯେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ବିଫୋର ଏ ବୋର୍ଡ ଦୋଜ୍ ହୁ ଆର୍ assigned the job of assessing your personality.
Okay, sir.
This is the personality test. Knowledge comes the personality.
Okay, sir.
ହେଲା ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଆପଣ କହିବାରେ ଟିକେ ଆଗ୍ରେସିଭ ହେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି
Okay, sir.
ଆଗ୍ରେସିଭ ନହେଲେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ କାମ୍ ହେବେ
Okay, sir.
ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ଟିକେ ସ୍ପଷ୍ଟ ଭାବରେ ଧୀର ଭାବରେ ତାକୁ କହିଲେ ସେଟା ଭଲ
Okay, sir.
ମୋର ଅବଜରଭେସନ
Okay, okay, sir.
ये जो चाकरी मिल करछे ता संपर्क रे रीडिंग जाइदिए पचारे निश्चित प्रश्न
Okay, sir.
प्रैक्टिस ऊपर तो आपण जस्टिफाई करि करू नांती कि जो जाई के रेडी ही जद केबे अछि
10 रे अछि सर.
अच्छे स्टिल देयर इज टाइम आपण जाई के प्रैक्टिस संपर्क रे जे ये सीनियर के केतबे जानती कोन करंती कोर्ट रे कोन वे
Okay, sir.
पचारे जे बुझी दी थन
Okay, sir.
हैंड मूवमेंट होची
Okay.
हाथ मूव करूचे हाथटा आंखु ऊपर रखिले गोड़ ऊपर रखिले
Okay,
सेटा
sir.
लॉक नहीं के रहबो
Okay, sir.
ओके दीटा गोड़ ऊपर दीटा हाथ ऊपर रखिले
Okay, sir.
ओके हाथ मुठा होबनी कि मूव करिवो
Okay, okay, sir.
ठीक अछि
Okay, sir.
थैंक यू
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.